How to add poll on Instagram group chat. So if you want to add poll in Instagram group chat, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now go for the messages which is on the upper right, and here select a group chat. Once you've selected the group chat, now tap on the message, and here if you go for the plus icon or any one of these options, then you won't have an option of poll, right? So if you want to add a poll on Instagram, then what you need to do is you just need to type the message. So for example, you can make a poll by typing which movie should we watch this weekend. So that will be the question, and then 1 and 2 will be the options, and you can write something on the bottom, vote for your favorite movie, and type 1 or 2 or suggest your own movie. So you can simply write a text like this, and then you can send, and the persons in the group will respond to that text, and you can see that the persons in the group will respond in this way. So that's how you can make a poll, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.